There it is. She gonna make the salad that goes with everything. Or the mix. It ain't no called a salad. What is it called that you making?
Kachumbari. Kachumbari.
Kachumbari. She making some kachumbari. Say it again.
Kachumbari.
Alright, well look, I'm gonna do the captions on the YouTube video, and when you say it one more time, I'm gonna look at the captions.
Kachumbari.
There it is, the kachumbari. I'm gonna look at the captions.
On the road with Kell. Let's go.
Yeah, we on the road traveling. We on the road traveling. We on the road traveling with Kell. We on.
Strong man. Look, I was about to say, I thought he was about to lift that whole thing up and dump it. About to say, strong young man if he was going to lift that whole thing up. You see, he done cleaned that bad boy up, the burnt up, but check him out. That's a good short right there. Out here, cleaning up the meat. So how long do they got to boil that? You said 4 hours?
Yes.
How long do you boil that for?
2 hours.
Oh, only 2 hours.
Yes.
So 2 hours, and then
At around 12, we shall remove it them from that sufuria. Then we cut it. This one we call it mugaroro. This is because we do it this way.
it's because what?
When the customer come, we ask for mugaroro. This is the process of making it to be a mugaroro. Hii mtokoko hii. Sasa hii tunaifanya hivi ndio ikuwe mugaroro sasa. Naona vyenye ilikuwa sasa ilikuwa hivi. Sasa ndio watu wanasema.
So what, people eat that by itself?
Yeah. This one will not do anything. We shall sell it as.
This one like that.
Eat it
They
straight
just
up like
burn
that.
it, burn it.
We shall boil it.
See that? And what is that called, Butcher? He said he's making. What is that called?
Yes.
What do customers ask for? What's the name?
The mugaruros.
Lamaros.
Mugaruros.
It's a local name.
Yeah.
I've never heard. What do they do? They boil it or they fry it?
They
Or,
boil it, then they put it on fire. Later.
or
Or
boil
we
it,
can,
then you
or
fry
we can
it?
eat it the way it is.
You can eat it now, like that?
No, not
Or you have to cook it?
at
You
this
have to
time.
cook it, right?
After we boil it.
Alright. There it is, y'all. I told y'all they get these cows and make it happen. Let's see what my man got going on over here. There it is. They said this is going to go down for about 2 hours. And there it is. Check out my man right there. Told y'all they get the cows here and break it down. See that bad boy? There it is. 4 cows. You. Alright, more vegetables. Fresh vegetables, some tomatoes.
Fresh vegetables, tomatoes, corianders.
Corianders. You can tell me that name a million times. Oh, onions.
Onions,
said those are onions.
corianders, ginger,
Coriander,
garlic.
ginger, garlic, everything. Got to make it happen. You know I'm in everybody's way. Got to make it happen. Is here? Can I? Can I wash my hands? Right here? Here?
Yeah.
All right, just had to get some water to get that cow up off me. There it is. She gonna make the salad that goes with everything. or the mix. It ain't no called a salad. What is it called that you making?
Kachumbari. Kachumbari.
Kachumbari. She making some kachumbari. Say it again.
Kachumbari.
All right. Well, look, I'm gonna do the captions on the YouTube video, and when you say it one more time, I'm gonna look at the captions.
Kachumbari.
There it is, the kachumbari. I'm gonna look at the captions, and there we go. Let me get out y'all way. Told y'all we got the whole process going over here. We got all this left to do. Getting more wood for the fire. They about to turn the fire up. You see it ain't really boiling, so boiling a little bit, but he about to make that fire hotter. Adding some more wood to it. Check them out, y'all. Let's get down there so we can see in that fire a little bit more. Get the fire nice and hot. So how many cows do y'all get a day? Do you know?
Like this one. This one is a one cow. This one.
Oh, that's from one cow.
Yeah.
So you have all of them, meaning
Yeah,
that's how
this
many
one,
cows you got.
Yeah. We shall count it.
Oh,
More than
okay.
20.
So 20
These are
cows
more than
total.
Yeah. These are more than 20 cows.
Wow. Interesting stuff. $20 cows, so you got to do that over and over all day. So you all that process again. And I think what he's doing is inverting it, right?
Yeah.
That's all he's doing. He
Putting
just-
the softer side in.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I was wondering what he's doing, but he's putting the sulfur side in. There it goes. Yeah, that do not look good at all. Like I said, he over there getting the fire started, and we done start boiling. So y'all done seen every process. I'm gonna let everything cook for a minute, and then we gonna come back and see how everything is, and then do some sampling. For the dogs on top. For the dogs. Oh, okay. So that's your job next.
Yeah.
You got to
this
take
one.
that off. Use that.
Yeah. I
Okay.
put then I use this one.
So he burn it, and you got to get that off of it.
Yeah, I start some wood that. Now that. This one.
Top on the big boy, and let it go for 2 hours, right?
Yeah. For 2 hours.
And what y'all gonna do with this?
This one, I will wait that one to boil a bit, an hour. Then I.
Oh, so you put that in the last hour?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's for the Mutura, right? Trying to learn the process, y'all. Boys at work. Anything he left out, he throw in the pot and keep it moving. That's y'all the casings for the sausage we eat. Alright, I'm gonna come back in a minute when he starts doing the next portion of it. Alright, y'all, he didn't transition
Yeah.
to the next stage. Said he gonna get this wood hot. And you put more wood there because you just wanted to get hotter?
Yeah.
Because now everything's in there, so now you're ready for it to cook. And it takes that. Oh, it burns it. Oh, look at that down. So that's like a blade. Hot blade, y'all. I didn't know that. You're burning the skin off. You burn the skin off?
I burn the hooves.
The
The
hooves.
hooves, yeah.
The hooves. Okay.
Yeah.
That's real deal, y'all. Let's get over here. Put that one in there. He's holding it with a piece of cardboard, y'all. A piece of cardboard. They do this every day. This is a process. Everybody got their own different things to do. Wow, I like this. Hard working. I love it. Everybody is doing what they got to do. So what time do you got to serve? When people come for lunch, what time?
Yes.
What time people come to eat?
At 3:30.
Huh?
We start selling at 3:30.
At what? 12:30?
3:30.
Oh, 3:30.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So everything be ready by 3:30 every day. Gotcha. Look at this, y'all.
Come work with us.
Huh?
You come work with us.
Come work with you.
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't do. This is my work right here. Running my mouth.
You can do this.
Running my
Yeah?
mouth. This is my work.
Yeah?
Listen, I am 48 years old. I didn't work a lot in my life. I am 48.
What do you do?
Yeah. I gave my life to Uncle Sam. I am on the retirement plan.
You want a retirement?
Yes, sir. Military.
Military.
I was in the Air Force, U.S. Air Force.
Yeah.
So no work. Now I do is come and make fun videos of interesting people and interesting places.
Yeah.
But that's what I like for my channel. I just like real stuff. I like real. I know I'm in the way. I don't like lazy and all that. I like real, everyday life, real content. You said that you do what?
They clean there.
Oh, so they clean. Okay, so he done burn it. They wanted to emphasize that they do clean it. So he done burned it like that. And then they clean it out of there. Here you go, Miss Lady. Your hand's clean, so you go first. We back in business, y'all. I'm about to share some love with them. About to share some love with them. And there you go. There you no ain't no session. There ain't no session right there. Look, there ain't no session. Woo! With a smile. Hold on, let me get a napkin and hook my boy up right here. Everybody know me that know me watch this video. Y'all know why she's still coughing right there. I got a coughing in here. Still coughing. There it is. On the road with Kell. And if y'all know why she coughing, we know. And also, hit that like and subscribe button because we out here. Here you go, my brother. There you go, my brother. There it is, y'all.
Hey.
There it is. He about to cough in a minute, y'all. We out here. He about to get it up. He definitely about to get it up. Hit that like button. Because we out here. Oh, she said, what about me? You good? He got some iron lung. Well, he over there with all that smoke, so I didn't expect. She said, get out the way. She said, get out my way. Get out my way. Look at that, y'all. Fresh and flavorful. She said, loose up. I just asked her, did she need some help cutting it? That's why she said, uh-uh. So look, where this come from? You took the out of the head?
The other.
I ain't see that, man. I need to see it. Did somebody take the out of the head? Oh no, not yet.
From the head, yeah.
No, did somebody? Oh, not yet.
It's from the head.
Yeah,
They're both
from the head and from the leg.
Today?
Not the meat.
Not today.
Oh, I was about to say. But y'all said dog food. That's dog food right
Not
there.
that food.
My
That's
dog-
money.
That's money. What do people do with this? For like money. She said it's money. What do people buy that for?
They sell it for even the people who make the, what do you call them, the buttons.
Oh, for jewelry and stuff like that.
Yes, yeah, the
They
buttons.
did na earrings.
And the earrings.
Earrings, jewelry, and stuff. She said that's money right there. I said that's dog. I get that. My dog a little chew on them bones. She said that's money right there. So look, y'all, they are really fully utilizing the whole cow. Fully.
What,
The whole cow, like I said, everybody just moving and they working. I'm in their way. I am definitely in their way, but everybody is working and the process is going smooth. I like it. And they do this every single day. Every single day.
We do this
Monday through Monday.
Monday to Saturday.
Oh, so no Sunday. Sunday free day.
Every day off.
Gotcha. Get on by here. You good? Look, he's smiling, y'all. I got him smiling. Let me get the capture that smile right there with the knife. There it is. Look, you got him in here smiling. My man. He got the job over here with all these damn heads and stuff in the way.
We on the road traveling, we on the road traveling, we on the road traveling with Kell. We on the road traveling, we on the road traveling, we on the road traveling with Kell.
Alright, y'all. We out here.